Are you ready to make your money work for you in 2025? If you're new to investing or looking to start, these 5 tips could be the key to turning your financial goals into reality. Let's dive in. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome. Whether you're just starting or looking to sharpen your investing skills in 2025, you're in the right place. Investing can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 beginner-friendly investing tips that will set you on the path to success. Let's jump straight into it. Tip 1. Start early. Time is your best friend. The first tip is simple but powerful. Start as early as possible. The earlier you invest, the more you benefit from compound interest. Even if you can only invest a small amount now, don't wait. Over time, your money will grow, and small contributions can lead to big rewards. Tip 2. Understand what you're investing in. Before you throw money into anything, take the time to learn about it. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, you need to understand what you're investing in. This reduces the risk of losing money and helps you make informed decisions. Start with low-risk, simple investments like index funds if you're a beginner. Tip 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Tip number 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one stock or sector. Spreading your investments across different asset classes helps protect you from major losses. Think of it as not relying on one source of income. Your investments should have a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe even real estate or cryptocurrency. Tip 4. Keep emotions in check. Investing can be emotional, especially when the market dips, but don't panic. Emotional decision-making leads to poor choices. Stick to your plan, keep your goals in sight, and understand that ups and downs are part of the journey. The goal is long-term growth, not instant wins. Tip 5. Stay consistent and review regularly. Lastly, consistency is key. Even if you're only able to invest a small amount each month, the key is sticking with it. Also, be sure to review your portfolio regularly, at least every 6 months. This allows you to adjust based on changes in the market or your financial goals. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 tips that will set you up for success as you begin your investing journey in 2025. Remember, it's about learning, being patient, and sticking to the plan. Don't let fear hold you back. Investing is a tool for financial growth, and the best time to start is now. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. This script keeps it simple, engaging, and actionable, ensuring the audience stays focused and motivated.